Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Alessandro Zamboni's recipes prompts empire, and I'm at the end, 17 bucks. So that tells you what it costs. What are you going to get for 17 bucks? You're going to get the ability to crank out recipe books and sell them on Amazon. Let's go inside and I'll show you what I mean. So I'll screen back to the top. Here's prompts. So there's 360 prompts. As opposed to giving you, here's 100 recipes, there's 360 ChatGPT prompts that can be edited to make something different, that can be edited to slightly change it if you want. You don't like this one here. I'm just going to read this to you. Create a roast beef recipe that incorporates a special marinade. The title should be appealing, and the description should make us want to try this roast beef for a special occasion, including ingredients in US measurements and step-by-step instructions. All ingredients should be found in the United States. That's one of the ones under roasting recipes. I'm going to scroll down, and you're like, yeah, what does that do? Well, it goes into the AI ChatGPT, and basically the computer goes and finds you everything you need. Now let's scroll down a bit here. Here we go. Here's two of these that he entered and grabbed. So from different prompts, but same of the 360 prompts. And you can see here, savory pesto green bean casserole. I'm just going to give you a little look at this. You can see the ingredients, you can see the pesto sauce, you can see the instructions, and bam, bam. And same thing on the other side, golden caramel rice pudding. Again, the ingredients, the instructions, bam. And you've got the whole 9 yards. So in a very short time, you can crank out recipes you can just as fast as you can come up with ideas, as far as you can come up with collections, as far as you can come up with things that you would make a book about. So caramel recipes, what was that? Pesto recipes. You see what I'm going? These are just one, and you go, give me 20 of these recipes. Give me 100 pesto recipes. And you can see how very quickly you can crank out the content and then put a cover and so on. You get everything ready in a short time. You're up and running. Recipe prompts. It's from Alessandro Zamboni. He does all this stuff. He's got a fellow that's really big into the ChatGPT prompts. And so here you go. You can insert any prompt we provide 10,000 times, and it will always give you different recipes. So you have unlimited results of this, from snacks to desserts to whatever you want to do. You're going to be able to crank out collections, books, recipe collections. They're showing, here's one for, he entered something in here, and I'll let you look through this later. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm going to go, there's Alessandro. He's in Italy. All sorts of categories of recipes. You're going to come up with more, but this is just the beginning, 360 prompts. Like I say, you keep entering it in, you get new stuff. You want to tell it to do, there's all sorts of other stuff. You can do a recipe app, you can do cooking classes, you can do workshops, you can do food photography, YouTube channel, blogger, food website. Much more likely is a personal recipe collection that you put up on Amazon or give to a friend. A lot of different things you can do with that. And I don't know, say you want 20 spaghetti recipes, boom, away you go. And that's a good example. Email support, bonus of the original one. This is the non-AI original, just make cookbooks. So you're going to have that as well as the prompts to make artificial intelligence cookbooks. I'm going to cut it short here. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's some information there about the recipe prompts empire. There's a bit about the upgrade offers. There's more prompts, a couple of different sets of prompts about foods, about diets. There's an online software for $27 that generates recipes in one click after entering your favorite foods. And for how many people you want it, bam, cranks out recipes. Kind of like, I remember seeing, anyhow. And you can get it with resale rights as well. The whole 9 yards is there. Click the big crazy product box with the robot with the cupcake in front of them, and away you go. You can grab a copy of, and we're right back at the bottom, aren't we? 17. Oh, we're pretty close. Let me just go back to this, scroll down past this, and we'll get down to, oh my goodness, there it is. 17 bucks. Go check it out. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site, and check out Alessandro Zamboni's recipe prompts empire. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Go make recipe books and sell them on Amazon. Enjoy.